Grade 1 Arts Home Learning. Hello, do you know me? I am your teacher, Dr. J. Yes, Dr. J. You, don't be worried about me because I will help you in exercising arts. Here, you can use your mind, your heart, and your creativity. Okay, good? Are you ready? Check this out. Okay, see ya. Here, this is the first goal of this week. You make a pattern using pencil and then color using any coloring materials at home. You can use color pencil, crayons, watercolor, markers, anything that you have at home. Make it easy, okay? The important thing, this is your goal to finish your stripe pattern for this week. You got it? Okay? Okay, first grader, I know you can do it. I believe in you. Now this is the second goal for next week. If you cannot print your template, please just asking help from your parents to cut A4 paper into half, and then you can ask also, or you can trace by yourself on the screen with that paper, and you prepare use materials like magazine or newspaper and then cut or tear. Cutting with your scissors is okay, tearing with your hands is okay too. Okay, and then take the template that you have, the bird template, and then you stick it the paper from the newspaper, from the magazine. Make it nice. Okay, I know you can do it. I believe in you. Again, I said it. This is the second goal, to finish this bird collage. And if you're done with this, later you can cut. You can asking your help, or you can try to cut by yourself. And then taram! Yes, you have your bird, and then combine with the pattern. Thank you.